Thank you for ordering your new Unity Hybrid armor. I am positive you are absolutely going to love it. And I'm going to show you how to get your armor to look like this in 3 easy steps. How to insert your armor, how to adjust your side straps, and how to secure your D-placard so that it never lifts or curls. When you remove your armor from the packaging, you are going to need to insert your panels, if you didn't order it with panels already installed. And that's very simple. First thing we need to do is lift up your lower placard, remove your side straps. That's going to get you to the opening. You're going to open that up, grab your panel. One thing to make sure of is that the wear face of your armor always faces your body. Fold your panel inward so that you can insert it. Make sure it gets in there and is nice and flat, and then just close our opening. We're going to do the same thing at the rear of the vest. Going to bend the armor inward, insert the armor, make sure it's in nice and flat, and close the pocket. With the armor now in the carrier, you're going to fit it to you personally. We're going to adjust the side straps from the rear of the vest. And it's going to take some trial and error, I'm sure. But once you get them in the place that is comfortable, we're going to lay the placard flat and then use these securing tabs to insert them into the slits. The rear securing tabs are extremely important. This holds that placard nice and flush so that it never catches or curls while you're sitting down in a vehicle. Now, once those tabs are in there, what you want to do is reach up into the side, grab that tab, and the hook and loop portion is going to lay right in between your pocket opening, which will permanently secure it there. And that's it. Your Unity Hybrid is ready for anything that you can throw at it.